Hello everyone, and welcome back to MR.D F&B Trainer YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to manage a restaurant. Whether you're a seasoned restaurateur or someone just starting in the industry, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you successfully manage your restaurant. So, let's dive right in. In order to open and run a successful restaurant, we have to look after 5 major sections as below. Section number 1, setting the foundation. Section number 2, operations and management. Section number 3, marketing and promotion. Section number 4, financial management. Section number 5, regulatory compliance. Section number 1, setting the foundation. Understanding your vision. Before you even open your doors, it's crucial to define your restaurant's vision. What type of dining experience do you want to offer? Fine dining, casual, fast casual, or something else? This vision will guide every decision you make. 2. Crafting a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your restaurant's goals, target audience, menu, marketing strategy, and financial projections. It's your roadmap to success. 3. Location and ambience. Choosing the right location and creating the right ambience can make or break your restaurant. Consider foot traffic, accessibility, and the overall atmosphere you want to create. Section number 2, operations and management. 1. Staffing and training. Your staff is the backbone of your restaurant. Hire skilled and motivated individuals and provide comprehensive training. A well-trained team ensures excellent customer service. 2. Menu design and pricing. Your menu should reflect your restaurant's concept and cater to your target audience. Price your items appropriately by factoring in ingredients, overhead costs, and desired profit margins. 3. Inventory management. Efficient inventory management prevents waste and reduces costs. Keep track of stock levels, rotate perishables, and establish relationships with reliable suppliers. 4. Customer service. Outstanding customer service keeps diners coming back. Train your staff to be attentive, friendly, and responsive to customer needs. Section number 3, marketing and promotion. 1. Online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential. Create a professional website, maintain active social media profiles, and encourage customer reviews. 2. Loyalty programs. Reward loyal customers with special offers, discounts, or a loyalty program. This fosters customer retention and word-of-mouth marketing. 3. Collaborations and events. Collaborate with local businesses, host events, or themed nights. These efforts create buzz and attract a diverse crowd to your restaurant. Section number 4, financial management. 1. Budgeting and financial tracking. Maintaining a detailed budget helps you control costs and allocate resources efficiently. Regularly track your financial performance and make adjustments as needed. 2. Cost control. Identify areas where costs can be minimized without compromising quality. This could include optimizing portion sizes, negotiating with suppliers, and managing energy consumption. 3. Profitability and growth. As your restaurant gains traction, focus on profitability and potential expansion. Consider opening additional locations or introducing catering services if feasible. Section number 5, regulatory compliance. 1. Health and safety regulations. Adhering to health and safety regulations is non-negotiable. Regular inspections, proper food handling, and maintaining a clean environment are essential. 2. Licensing and permits. Ensure you have all the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. These may include alcohol licenses, health permits, and business licenses. Managing a restaurant is a multifaceted endeavor that requires dedication, careful planning, and ongoing efforts. By setting a strong foundation, efficiently managing operations, implementing effective marketing strategies, and maintaining financial discipline, you can create a thriving restaurant that leaves a lasting impression on your customers. Remember, success in the restaurant industry is a journey, not a destination. Thank you for joining with MR.D F&B Trainer YouTube channel today, and we wish you the best of luck on your restaurant management journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MR.D F&B Trainer YouTube channel for more valuable F&B content. Until next time, happy restaurant managing.